Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some Guyanese Pinetart. Guys, this is a really good weekend treat that brings back lots of childhood memory. I'm kind of nostalgic just thinking about how every weekend we would go buy all these different pastries so we can nibble on, anyways. So before we jump into this recipe, I would like you guys to please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Click like, share, and comment. Do not forget to hit that notification bell also. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So these are the list of our ingredients and they will be in the description box. We have some flour, some shortening, butter, salt, sugar, and water, chilled water. So to my flour, I'm adding some salt, sugar, and I'm going to whisk that in together. Then I'm going in with my shortening, and I'll use my fingers and rub that in the flour. Guys, you can also use a food processor, which I would have done in previous videos. But today I'm just going to use my hands. So you rub it in like that until the flour actually resembles fine breadcrumb. Then we go in with our water, and I'm using just about half a cup of chilled water here. All right, we're gonna pull our dough together. Then I will bring everything together. So I'm going to cut that in half, wrap individual pieces in a saran wrap, place it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. While I prepare the filling, I have some pine, some brown sugar, vanilla extract, orange, cinnamon sticks, and cloves. You can also use clove powder, which is recommended. So we're going to peel our pine. Looks amazing. The skin, guys, we can use for a beautiful pine drink, which I'll make sometime. I'll let you guys see how that is done. So we peeled, washed, clean our pine, and then I'm using a food processor to grate this. Looks amazing. You can peel the center of the pine off, that little hard bit, before you use the food processor. Or you can actually manually grate the pine, that's fine. So I'm zesting about 1 tablespoon of orange zest. Make sure to wash your orange first. So I'm placing the pineapple, the orange zest, cinnamon sticks, cloves. Guys, please remove the clove when this is done. If you have clove powder, that is what's recommended. Well, for me, but I didn't have any clove powder, so I had to use cloves. All right, I use about 6 cloves here. So allow this to reduce, all the liquid to actually reduce from this pine. Taste the sweetness, and then you go in with some sugar. You can adjust the sweetness here to your likeness and taste. All right. The orange zest just offset the sweetness just a little bit. Alright, is what it actually looks like. Then we go in and remove all the cloves and the cinnamon sticks. So while that is cooling, we are going to roll our dough out. Roll it about 1/4 of an inch thick. I really like it not too thick pastry, but not too thin either. So here I'm using one of my small pot cover lid for my pan, and it actually is the perfect size to what I want my pine tart to be. I do have a pastry cutter, but it's kind of small. This is the perfect size. So here we will add the filling in the center of the pastry. Spread that out just like that. I absolutely love pastries. So we will fold that in to the center. I usually pinch the top to secure the filling in the pastry, and then I fold up the bottom. Looks great. So here you can also put some egg wash just a little bit around the edges of the pastry before you fold them, just like that. That's the fold, and then you fold up the bottom to secure the filling. Looks amazing, and I'm placing these guys on my baking sheet. If you're not using a non-stick pan, you can go ahead and add some paper on there. Then we'll go in with our egg wash that I made with 1 egg and about 2 tablespoons of water. You beat that and you brush that right over the pastry. This gives it that really golden exterior, and then you just use your fork, you punch some holes just like that, and this will bake in a 350 degrees oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. And this is what it looks like, guys. Our amazing Guyanese Pinetart. It is super flaky, scrumptious. The filling is just right. It is not too sweet. You can taste the orange, the cinnamon, the cloves, everything. It is just perfect filling for this Pinetart. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. You can also like and share this video. If you guys also make this, tag me, let me know how yours turned out. Do have a fabulous day. Thank you for spending the time with me today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.